Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain what network engineering and network engineers are. In fact, the so-called network engineering, in simple terms, is to build a network with the help of routing protocols and these network devices according to the needs of users. Let our network communicate according to our design requirements. For example, if the department requires that the technical department and the human resources department cannot communicate, or the financial department and the technical department cannot communicate directly, then we will control it. It is a network connection. In this, our network covers a lot of content, including routing and switching, including security, wireless, storage, etc., all of which belong to the scope of our network engineering. In this, the actual work content of our network engineers is to provide a perfect solution or project plan according to the needs of users. And we can mobilize resources from all parties to implement this project on time and with high quality. In fact, our network engineers have a comprehensive model that we must have professional knowledge communication skills, solutions, problem-solving skills, or demonstration skills. In this process, our network technology, we say network engineers, his technical development path. First of all, you have to know what routing and switching are, which is the most basic of our network. If everyone is not clear about the technology, it will be very difficult to learn it later. In addition, our entire network communication or data communication is actually centered around the two technical points of LAN maintenance and communication. Secondly, how can I do a verification? For example, in the future, we may learn a technology called OSPF, so how to execute it, how to verify it, how to check its corresponding configuration. Various protocols exist, and understanding their workflow is key. Their workflows help identify future issues. Understanding these workflows and principles aids in troubleshooting and resolving issues. This requires designing effective solutions. For instance, designing a campus network solution. This involves planning, implementing, troubleshooting, and considering optimizations. Network engineers must research and consider these. To develop a networking career, start with certification exams. These exams test skills and cultivate experts in business and technology. And then there's the planning of the network, its implementation, troubleshooting, and potential optimization directions. These are all things that network engineers need to research and think about. If we want to develop a career in the networking industry, we can start by taking certification exams. These exams serve as a way to test your technical skills. It can cultivate experts who understand both business and technology. In terms of certification, you will notice that there will also be lab exams, not just theoretically, but also a development path. If a person is a junior engineer, he can continue to develop into a mid-level engineer, including a senior engineer. He has a reasonable talent growth path, including him. I said that ICT can also promote the growth of talents, and it provides an authoritative certification. Why is it more authoritative? It is because it will be upgraded according to the technology used in the current network. In the past, we referred to it as ours, but now it has evolved from older routing and switching technologies, which are no longer sufficient to support many real-time scenarios in our current networks. So, a lot of intelligent operation and maintenance elements have been added. Huawei certification is just one of these, and it is divided into 3 levels: HCIA, HCIP, and HCIE. HCIA is an entry-level certification, while HCIP is intermediate and HCIE is advanced. The entry-level certification is designed to cultivate network engineers who have a basic understanding of data communication theory and technology. If you learn HCIA, you should be fine with small networks. HCIP focuses on training engineers who can design solutions across different fields or plan within a single domain. Generally, if everyone has learned the content of IP technology, handling medium-sized networks shouldn't be a problem. As for HCIE, it trains network experts who have a solid theoretical foundation and the ability to provide cross-domain solutions. This is the overall Huawei certification system, which includes the responsibilities of network engineers. If anyone wants to learn about Huawei certification technology, or wants to access the Huawei certification question bank, feel free to message me privately, or you can leave a comment below the video. Engage in technical communication.